Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. What if I told you that your phone, your smartwatches and even your laptop could all fit into a sleek pair of glasses? No more pulling out your phone for directions, checking notification or even watching videos. Just look and it's all that. Welcome to the future. These are the Halliday Smart Glasses and they might just be replace every screen you own. So let's go. Alright, let's get into it. What makes Halliday Smart Glasses stand out? First, the immersive VR display. This isn't some clunky pixeled projection. Halliday uses ultra-clear micro-OLED technology. So everything from map to messages feel like it's floating right in front of you. Lost in new city? Just say, "Hey Holiday, take me to trackbacks and real-time navigation appears over your surroundings." No more staring at your phone while loading traffic. Speaking of hand-free conventions, you can answer calls, read text and even check your calendar all without touching a screen. Fitness junkies, you will love this. Built-in health tracking monitors your heart rate, step count and your hydration level in real time. It's like having a personal trainer in your glasses. Now here's where it gets really cool. Imagine watching your favorite show on a 100-inch virtual screen that only you can see. Whether you're on a plane, at a cafe or chilling in bed, Holiday brings you one personal movie theater everywhere. Oh, and no need to carry extra sunglasses. The lenses are photochromic, meaning they adjust to sunlight instantly. Battery lasts 12 hours on a single charge. So you won't be stuck searching for an outlet halfway through the day. And when you are just drop on the charger, no cables, no hassle. So the real question is, are you ready for the future? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.